Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Lechonk from Pokemon. So let's get started. To draw this cute Pokemon, let's first start by drawing the ear. So I'm going to start right here and we're just going to draw a long curve across. So this is going to be the bottom of Lechonk's ear. So I'm just going to draw a long curve going across about this much. And then from there, I'm going to round this part off and go up. And then on this side, I'm going to go up. So just kind of creating this triangular leaf shape, I guess you would say. And I'm going to go up and skip a little bit of space and about right here, continue. Just giving myself a mark so I know where I'm going. And I'm going to connect everything. There. So see, it's kind of like this leaf arrow shape, right, for the ears. Then from there, let's go ahead. We need to draw the eye right underneath this ear. So I'm going to come about right here. And let's say about right here. So kind of like the center of this ear. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. I'm going to bring it down. This much, say about that much. And then this curve is going to be a little bit shorter. About this much. And at the bottom right here, I'm going to connect it by going up. There. And at the bottom right here, we're going to draw the eyelid at the bottom. We're going to go underneath it and go up. And then about right here, it's going to curve out. And then we're going to connect it right here. This special bottom lid. There. Then let's come back in here and we're going to draw the eye. So I'm going to come right here and just kind of draw the bottom of an oval. And put it right in the center. And you know what? I'm going to put a little highlight right here. I'm not sure if that looks correct, but I'll shade this all in and see. If it doesn't look correct, then I'll just shade it all in black. I kind of want to give the eye here some sparkle. And I think it might be okay. Okay, we'll leave it for now. Okay, so now that we have the ear and the eye in, now we know where to place the snout. So we're going to use this tip of the ear as our guide, and we're going to come out close to it. So let's say about right here. I'm going to give myself a point, and we're going to draw this really long curve to create a very big snout. So close to our eye, I'm just going to continue this curve, coming down. So really close to that eye, and then let's say about, we're going to go below the eye, about right here, I'm going to start to curve in. And right here, we're going to go up and down, which is about right here. And we're going to bring this in. And about right there, I'm going to start to curve it in and connect everything. There. So it's just kind of this, I'm not sure what to call it. It looks like a can of ham, perhaps. But everything is nice and round still. There. Then from there, we're going to come back into this space, this corner right here, and we're just going to bring in this line right here. Following this, we're just trying to give it some dimension. So just imagine it's coming through about right here. Once again, we're going to continue that line, following this, and then we're going to bring it in. There. So we're just trying to give this snout some volume. Okay, so then now that we have that, we can go ahead and just imagine this face right here. So I'm going to put in the snout. So I'm going to draw two ovals at a slant. I'm going to come in about right here. Nice long oval. So one right here and the other one right here, right next to it, going the opposite way. There. Okay, so then now I can go ahead and I'll just shade this in real quick so you can see it easier, and here as well. There, so hopefully that helps you to create the snout for Lechonk here. And I just keep feeling this, I'm sorry, this curve is bugging me. I need to make it a little bit straighter. I think that's why it's bugging me. And bring it in. Okay, I'll clean it up a little bit later, but let's continue with the body. So now that we know where the snout is, I'm going to come about right here on top of the nose, and I'm going to go up, and we're going to start to create this round body. And so we're imagining this coming through about right here. We're going to draw a curve. And so let's go back and forth. I'm going to go up. So it's going over the ear. So just take a look, back and forth. And about right here, right underneath the eye, a little bit past the eye. I'm going to stop about right there, and then I'm going to draw the front leg. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and start down with a curve, and about right here, and let's connect it with a curve, soft curve. And then we're going to go up right here and create the hoof. So then let's continue this, and we're going to go up slightly. So just remember, this is this one big curve. So now we kind of have this idea in, that shape in. We can go ahead. So hopefully you're using a pencil at home, so that you can erase and fix your big shape, because I'm drawing pretty big. So keep going down. I'm going to bring it all the way back to about here. So let's keep going. So as you can see, that's why my lines are kind of sketchy and messy, but once I figure it out. So just look at this big piggy bank, nice and round. So let's keep going. And about right here, I'll stop and draw the back leg. So same thing as that, a little bit higher up. So let's say about right here. And connect, just like the front. There, and then we can go ahead and connect everything. There, nice and round, right? And then let's come back and draw the other ear. So the other ear will pop in about right here. And bring it down. Curve, nice and long, just like the other one. And then we'll come in. And up. Then let's come about right here. We're going to give it some dimension. So we draw a curve right here, and then another curve there for the other ear. And then the other leg, so about right here, we're going to come down. Same kind of angle, and just cut it off about right there and bring it in. Then we're going to draw a hoof that pops out and connects. There. And so then we need to draw this cute little pig tail. So let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw two little lines coming out, and then we need to stop because I'm going to go ahead and swirl the tail. So about right here, I'm just going to try and make it all the same width, and I'm going to loop it and imagine it coming through. And same thing here, and connect. There, that's because I didn't want to erase, but if you're using a pencil, you would just draw this all the way through and just thicken everything up. Then it wouldn't need to be so complicated. There. Okay, and then now for some pattern or stripes color on the ears right here. Let's come right here. I'm going to lightly draw a curve here and here as well, and then on the face. So right about here, we're going to draw a curve, comes down, and another curve, and then it continues all the way to about right here and down. there. And I think that is pretty much it. I think the hardest part right here was the nose for me. Now I would have to try and make some adjustments right here. But hopefully I was able to help you, even though I made a mess. There, much better, right? Hopefully. But that is pretty much it, except last but not least, I'm going to add a little heart right here. And I almost forgot, right about here, we're going to draw a curve to give our legs some details, and that is pretty much it. So I'm drawing a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Lechonk from Pokemon. I really hope I helped you draw this cute pig from Pokemon fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.